So we get heavily involved in not only the trade schools, but in high schools. It usually actually starts in high school where people say, hey, I have an interest in this. I like cars. I like doing these specific things, and I want to try advancing my career in that. So we've worked with a lot of different high schools and trade schools to get them tools so that they can start experiencing what it's like to be a technician and to work on cars and to build things and do technician work. And it's been very, very successful. We've have tons and tons of apprentices that have come into our group and that we've been able to coach and build along. Like with that kind fund, one of the kids was a 17-year-old kid that the teacher saw he never had a different change of clothes for almost 6 months. So they submitted for that kid. We then saw that kid lived within a store, and we connected with the teacher. Teacher connected the kid with us, and we ended up hiring him. And now he's been a technician that worked for us for now 3 years and is helping provide for his family. And so working with the community, it not only benefits the kids, it's also benefiting the business because we're finding great people. As somebody who came up in the business, I went through a technical school and got my ASC certification. That allowed me to kind of use some of the tools, understand how the different things work. The school district is elated. They're so excited about that spot welder because there's no other school that has something like that. By providing like a spot welder, that helps our kids get real world experience that they're going to see, and it gives more interest for those kids in the career. And so it's not only building the kids, but it's also building the industry, because now these kids can get in and they can create a career and provide value for any collision shop. And that cuts their apprenticeship in half. That means that they can earn more money more quickly because they can get in and do the work because they've had experience when they're at Ogden High. And it gives the kids an opportunity to see what it's like to really engage in our industry and to be able to make a difference. It really has set a new standard for the schools around us because they can see, hey, look, with engagement like this, we can help kids get interested in an industry that is going to continue to be here and be an important part of our community. Other programs, it's just the basic, okay, this is how you sand something, this is how you push something, but it's not using the actual technologies that they'll use in a shop, right? So to have those advanced technologies, the latest and greatest, it's helping them not only see what the industry actually looks like today, but it helps them get there faster, which is a huge add to our community. Vehicle technology is moving so fast, and just to keep ahead of it is shocking. There's so many sensors, so many different things that you have to be aware of when you're working on the vehicles, and to be able to have technologies within the school district to be able to help them not only understand the latest in the technologies that are in the vehicle, but also how to work on them and how to make sure that they're all the systems are working together to be able to keep a car safe on the road. Because one of those sensors goes down, it could be life-threatening. And so to have these kids be able to learn on that new technology helps them that much more get ready for a career in the industry.